Right, hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold, XAU, USD, like always every Sunday. Links are in the video description. So last week we had a few good moves. We had this retracement to the opening price, then a clear continuation up into this manipulation area up here. That's where we was mainly targeting. Then we was looking for a reversal to go down. So we got a few good moves in that price action. I'm not going to go over it all because it's pointless. It's in the past now. We're going to move on to this week. I'll stick to the 4-hour time frame. So this week you've had your consolidation last week, and then Friday was the impulse move up to take the buy side liquidity. Now we have to be on the lookout this week for a full reversal, which means from Monday, if you start to see bearish pressure all through the New York session and it clears this low, then that does confirm we are likely to be targeting this sell side liquidity down here, and this upwards move is a retracement to the weekly opening price here, which I'll go over in a minute, and it is a true reversal. And once you start clearing this low, you should see a continuation down to target this low down here, because it is a continuation on a higher time frame. So that's one scenario to look out for at the start of the week. Now, I'd be looking for these confirmations within the New York session on Monday. This will show me what it's doing over the next few days. Currently, what you're seeing here is bullish price action, and they finished the week hitting the weekly opening here from previous weeks. So they are either continuing the bullish pressure, which would mean a small retracement, and then we'll target this previous high here. So if you get a small retracement at the start of the week and then a continuation up, we'll be targeting this daily doji candle here and likely to continue up. But this would be your next buy target if you start to see bullish pressure, and that is at 2044. So clear liquidity there. And this is a clear bit of liquidity down here. Doji candle there. Major swing. So you just got to wait to see what that pressure is showing during the New York session. Now let's just go over the smaller time frame, what I was talking about. So what we're going to look at here is just get this, and we're going to read price. So from the bottom, we've had the upwards move and then retracement to retest that manipulation area. So rejection of that area shows strong bullish momentum. Price goes up, opens the new week here, comes back down, retests this, which is a daily opening price and a weekly opening price, and that can be seen on the hourly time frame. So I'm talking about that bit there. So it's retesting that as bullish support. So each of these retests is giving you bullish confirmation, and that is retesting the consolidation area, which is here. And then we move on to last week. So we had this big consolidation, and then we had the sell side liquidity collection on Friday, and that retests the opening price from this day here, which is Tuesday opening price, which is the 20th of February, and a big rejection to the upside from that. So what you're seeing is retesting these key levels which are showing bullish structure, and that's why you got the big move to the upside after taking the sell side liquidity and retesting that key level within, and that was just before the New York opening. So it started the momentum within the London session, and that was to target this weekly opening price, which is here. So this is the weekly opening price of the 5th of February. So we can get that and drag it along there. And that may also be the monthly opening price. Let's just look at that. So yeah, you can see it's the monthly opening price for February too. So we can just move that along a bit. So they finished the week retesting a weekly opening price and a monthly opening price. Now, the reason I explain that is because that is a good setup for a reversal. Let's look at the previous month here. So this is January. We have the monthly opening price here, and you can see each time we've retested that, we've got a big rejection to the downside. So if they're looking to go lower, they've already retested this monthly opening price. So what you're going to see on Monday is a sharp move to the downside because they've already retested that key level. And on Monday could be a big bearish candle for the whole day. So it ends with a big bearish candle which breaks this whole upwards manipulation move that you can see. It created a bullish FU candle on the daily time frame with these two candles. So what that would give you confirmation in is this monthly opening price is holding strong in the bearish direction. All you need is that daily bearish candle to give you that extra confirmation, and once you see that, then you got confirmation to target this low down here very easily. And once you get that, that's a move from around 2015 to 2085, so that's around $30 move to the downside easily. So that's why a bit of patience can pay off very easily just by waiting for those confirmations to show. Now let's just look at the 4-hour time frame. So like I said, if the bullish pressure is being followed and this is not a full reversal on the higher time frame, so what you should see is a small retracement. I wouldn't expect to go no lower than 2024 because that's where the manipulation starts. So if we go down to the smaller time frame, you can see that's where the manipulation started here. Here's your consolidation fake out, which is the push down to take the sell side liquidity. Then you got the full reversal, which causes big upwards move. So if prices to continue up towards that doji daily candle on the buy side, then this is what you're likely to see. A small retracement to there, and that would be your breaker. That would be your retest of the manipulation area. Then you'll see a continuation to the upside. If you see no sort of resistance at this area, then and price starts to come down below 2019, then you can expect this low to be broken and this big white candle to be followed. So let's just change the color of that. Let's stick it in yellow so you know what scenarios to look out for. And if we do get that reversal, then you can easily target that doji liquidity here, which is on the daily time frame, and that is that candle there, and that is at 2044. So that is the main things you want to be looking out for. Let's just get it up on the hourly time frame so you can see. So on Monday, if you start to get a bearish movement, this is where you want to look out for a potential bullish support area, because that would be a potential retracement and then a continuation up towards 2044. If you see no sort of support, then you can expect a continuation down to clear this low and then target the higher time frame on the daily, which is this big doji candle here, which is at 1984, which would mean a continuation down on the daily time frame back into this grey area. So that's what I'd be looking out for this week on gold. Main thing to pay attention to is Monday. I know you have GDP next week, and that's around the middle of the week, but the start of the week will show you what to expect over the next few days. So pay attention to that, and I would just follow those sort of setups. You will mainly see pressure in one direction from the New York session because it is the main high volume time. So when you're looking for main moves, they mainly come from the New York session. So yeah, I think I'm going to leave it there. Links are in the video description. Take care. Feel free to message me. My personal link is in the video description too. I will update the free channel this week once I start to see support in either direction, and then just give you that confirmation. But yeah, we have potential for a full reversal to go down. If not, then we can continue to see that bullish support to the upside to target the next area, which is 2044. Take care, have a good day.